View, Wilsey, Papa.
View, Wilsey, Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Broomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelsy Family.
Ice cream!
Broomy! What are you?
Roomy, don't interfere. I'm testing the echo. It repeats everything. Absolutely everything. Completely correct. Check it out. Ice cream! Ice cream!
We need to go inside.
Yeah, maybe it's even funnier in there.
The Wheelsy kids headed to the cave. They decided that this trip will probably be really fun. It's dark in the cave. Vroomy and Broomy turn on their headlights. Ploomy has decided, just in case, not to enter the cave. There's a shadow on the cave wall.
Oh, goodness!
Roomy's a scaredy cat.
I just wasn't expecting it. Now it's my turn. Oh.
I wonder if Broomy can guess what his sister is showing on the wall.
Wow, a goat.
Broomy, you're the... He does it like this.
The goat's teeth chatter from the cold.
That's it. I'm not playing with you anymore.
Vroomy's upset now.
Roomy? Hey, Roomy, don't be mad. Come on, it's funny.
Maybe. Just a little.
Huh? That's not me.
Broomy! Broomy, take me away from here!
Understood.
Vroomy got very scared. She even closed her eyes in fear. It turned out that finding a way out of the labyrinth is not easy.
It seems that way.
Oh, I found it!
Here comes Ploomy. Just in case, he called Grandpa for help.
Roomy, we're here!
Goodness!
Well, what did you get scared of?
There's a horned monster in there!
A minotaur?
What? Minotaur! Minotaur! Come out! What?
Hey.
Well, cool. Can I?
Ploomy will share!
Okay. Little car, don't be afraid of me. I don't bite.
Oh, you!
It wasn't me. It was Ploomy.
Minotaur!
Oh!
But if the spider is not a minotaur,
Hey?
then what does a minotaur look like?
How did it look? Like a bull, but on two legs. The ancient Greeks came up with it.
Phew! Pretty scary.
Yes, and they also came up with him taking people for lunch. And he lived in an underground maze.
Yeah, it's hard to get out of mazes.
We almost got lost.
You know, you can walk to the very far end of the labyrinth
Huh?
and then just come back safely.
How?
You'll be Ariadne, the daughter of the king of Crete. This is your thread.
Ariadne's thread.
And you'll be Theseus, the hero who defeated the Minotaur.
Yeah.
Take the ball of yarn and go ahead. Then you can come back along the thread, like along a road marking.
Easy peasy. Forward to defeat the Minotaur. Bloomy will come too.
If there are adults nearby, Plumie stops being afraid.
Oh, wow! Plumie, we found him.
It's a Minotaur piñata.
Help me out.
If you break the piñata, it will explode with candies.
Come on.
Grandpa Lato, they need help.
Oh, but aren't you scared?
No, I must go. Surrender, Minotaur! Surrender!
It worked. Candies, chocolate eggs, and caramel sticks fell out of the piñata. Oh, how glad I am to see you there. I was starting to think that you couldn't defeat my Minotaur.
View Wilsey Papa.
View Wilsey Mama.
Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Roomy! Roomy! They like to play.
Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day.
Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelsy Family.
This is Plume Boom Wheelsy. He's exploring the playroom.
Oh,
Little Plumie found a chocolate egg.
wow.
A chocolate truck.
Open your mouth like this. Oops. Huh? Let's do it again.
Oh, Broomy, look here.
Ooh, la la la
Plumie has a colorful tongue because he ate the candy from the chocolate egg.
It's sweet.
Whoa, we want chocolate too. Where did you get it?
Uh-oh, it was Plumie's chocolate egg.
Boom Boom, you hid your egg in the castle in the garden, but you ate Brumie's chocolate. Now you have to share with him.
Plumie is Chuck. Plumie will bring.
This is the cardboard castle where Plume Boom hid his chocolate egg.
Yeah.
And who is this? It's a bully who steals chocolates off little kids.
Is he coming soon?
Already.
So, where's the egg? What?
You can't be nasty to little kids.
You can't take what's yours.
Brumie and Brumie decided to take revenge for their brother. Sometimes even adults have to be told how to behave correctly. The bully got so scared of the witch and vampire that he drove into a pond where there are fish that love to bite.
Help me, please! I'll bring another egg!
Do you believe him?
I'll bring you an egg that's 4 squillion times bigger!
Okay. Turn around.
Just a minute.
Brumie has got to the kitchen. What is she looking for? A worm.
It's bait.
Genius.
The kids attached a gummy worm to the hook. The fish will see it, want to eat it, and open its mouth.
Hey.
Well done, Piranha.
There you go. Plumie saved the fish.
And you saved me. Here you go.
View, Wilsey, Papa.
View, Wilsey, Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Vroomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelsy Family.
This is Broomy. She drives happily out of the toy store with her new stickers.
Look, Broomy. Look, I have new stickers.
Wow, 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 beep!
Hi.
Broomy has decided to decorate her album with her new stickers.
Wow.
And a suitcase.
Huh? Oh.
Broomy tells his sister to decorate the mirror. That's not a good idea. The mirror might get angry if the stickers leave marks, and we will not be able to look in it or see beautiful reflections. Ah, this is a mirror. It sighs very grumpily. Now Vroomy will figure it out. She loves looking at herself in the mirror in the morning.
There is an evil mirror.
You're scared of it. Hey! Hey! A mirror is a ghost!
Mom is at work. What's going on?
Our mirror has turned into a ghost!
Oh! We need to catch it before Mom sees it.
I can't catch it.
Bloom Boom wants to try and catch the mirror with a butterfly net.
Oh, ho, ho. What did you do to make the mirror so angry?
We don't know.
You shouldn't have put stickers on it. No, you shouldn't. Attention! We have an important job to do. We need to clean the mirror and get rid of the scary ghost. Who's going to help?
Me too. Me too.
Everyone is working together to clean the mirror. The mirror has now stopped growling and has become much more friendly. Grandpa Ladle brought soap and sponges to wipe off all the stickers.
Mirror, it's time to go.
It did as it was told. The mirror really wants to be clean again.
What? It's good that the mirror is no longer upset.
And it's a good job Mom didn't see.
Did someone call me? View Wilsey Papa.
View Wilsey Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Broomy! Broomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelsy Family.
This is Broomy. He is playing and pretending to be the big construction boss.
Pick it up. Put it down. Work faster. There's lots of work to be done. I want to build one too. Your building is not good, and it's not even straight. We need to pull it down. Let's call the demolition excavator.
To turn the excavator into a destroyer, Broomy needs to change his bucket to a big heavy ball. Broomy is now making a castle out of blocks.
Princess, the magical unicorn, is coming to visit your castle today. This tower is not safe. Demolition excavator to work. Why are you breaking everything? This is a bad tower. No, it is not. I made it. It was me. Me! Give me the remote. But this is my remote. It's not yours. Mine.
What happened here?
Oh, wow! Destroyer, get to work!
Broomy wants to use his excavator to pop bubbles.
Broomy, what happened here?
The demolition excavator has been busy working at the construction site. He broke my castle. Wait. Mama, can we have some more foam? Mom! Foam!
You know, Grandpa is in the yard washing, Plumie. Your younger brother will share his soap bubbles with you.
Let's go! Beep, beep. Wheel, wheel, beep, beep. Wheel, wheel, beep, beep. Wheel, wheel, beep, beep.
Wow. Oh. It's a soap bubble.
Do you see Plumie? Grandpa! That's strange. Mom said Plumie is here.
Yes, here he is.
Look at this. Plop, 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 plop. Plop, Look at me! I'm a train! Chugga, 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 chugga. Whoa. What? Plop, plop. Plop, plop. You are Grandpa Ladle. I'm not Grandpa. I am a ghost. I'm in trouble.
Hey. Hey. Now you're a ghost too.
Grandpa Ladle, did the children wash their hands?
No. Yes, we just need rinse.
Kids, it's lunchtime.
We don't want lunch, Mom. We are not hungry.
Huh? Oh. Ghost? It's time to turn back into Plumie.
What?
Go to your mom. There are ghosts with eyes in the kitchen. You need to catch them and hide them in a good trap.
Mama Wheelsy has made ghost pancakes for lunch.
Yum, 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 yum.
Kids, don't play with your food, please.
There you go.
Go, Ghostbusters! Open your traps!
We need to eat them faster. Plumie first.